Next in C, we are going to see how to use array of structure. What is the need of array of structure? So here it is our header file. stdr.h. Here I'm creating structure. Struct. Name of structure is student. And here within curly bracket I'm giving integer RNO for roll number and char name, to which I'm giving size of 30. And here I'm creating two variables of structure, student S1 and S2. That means we are going to take input of roll number and name for two students, S1, and S2 is second student. And this is our main function. Within main function, we are going to take roll number and name input of S1 and S2 student, and then we are going to print roll number and name of student S1 and S2. So here we have taken input of roll number and here of student S1, and here we have taken input of name of student S1. Similarly, here we have taken input of roll number of student 2 and name of student 2. And here we are going to print name, roll number and name of student 1 and 2. So here we have printed roll number and name of student S1 and S2. Save your program, build it and then run it. So it is asking me to enter roll number of student 1. I have given 1. Enter. Now it has asked that and enter the number name of student 1, but control has transferred to enter the roll number of student 2. Reason for this is that here after taking input of roll number, we have to write f flush stdin to flush or to remove extra characters. Similarly, here after taking input of roll number, before taking input of name of student 2, here also we have to write f flush stdin. Now again save your program, build it and then run it. So it is asking enter the roll number of student 1, I'm giving 1. Enter the name of student 1, I'm saying ASDFG. Now it is asking enter the roll number of student 2, I'm giving 2, and name is this. So it has printed roll number and names of student 1 and 2. So here we have taken only two students, S1 and S2. If in case we have 10 students or 20, 30 or 50 students in our class, that way if we are taking variables like this, that is going to be too much hectic. So in that case, we used to declare array of structure. So to declare array of structure here, in place of S1 and S2, here I am giving size of 5. That means there are 5 students in our class, to which we have to give roll number and name. And here we have to put semicolon. Here in main function, then we have to declare integer variable I, which we will be using in our for loop, and we have to start our for loop then. For I equals to 0, semicolon I is less than 5, semicolon I plus plus. Now here we have to start our curly bracket, and we have to put all these statements inside our curly bracket, and we have to remove this. Enter the roll number of student. Here we can write %t, and here we can give comma I. And here we have to write S instead of S1 S, and within square bracket we have to give I, because this is going to be an array. Enter the name of student %t, and here after comma we have to mention I, and here it will be I within square bracket. And to print name and roll number of all the students, Again we have to use for loop. For I equals to 0 semicolon I is less than 5 semicolon I plus plus, and we have to put all these statements, not all these, only 2 statements from this within curly braces, and here roll number of student, here SI, here it will be I. Now what we have done here we have just created array of our structure, and here we have passed number 5. That means this array is going to hold a roll number and name of 5 students, and here we have started our for loop, and here within for loop we are asking enter the roll number of student. Here we have taken input of roll number of student. Here we have used flush stdin to remove extra characters or to flush extra characters. Here we are asking user to enter the name of student, and here we have taken input of name of student. Similarly, here we have printed both roll number and name of all the 5 students. Save your program, build it, and then run it. So it is asking me enter the roll number of student 0. I'm giving 1. Now enter the name of student 0. I have given name. Roll number is 2. This is the name. Roll number is 3. This is the name. Roll number is 4, and this is the name. And last is roll number 5, and this is name. So it has printed roll number and names of all the 5 students. So need of array of structure is that in case we have large number of students or in our class, and we need to take input of all those students, then creating separate variable for each and every student is going to be very hectic. So in that case we use array of structure, which can take input of all the students within us within one go. So this was our array of structure.